Here's question 2 for 200 points. We have a rectangle picture there, rectangle ABCD has side lengths of 5 and 12 as indicated, and we'd like to know what is the length of the diagonal AC. Is it 17 over the square root of 2, 13, 12 square roots of 2, or 17? See how this one went? 5 people chose B, 13, their lucky number, and that was the correct answer. It is your lucky number. Very good. One of Lord Byron's daughters is often called the first programmer, and she had a programming language named after her. What is or was her name? Concertina Kobolevsky, Philomena Fortran, Ada Lovelace, or Penelope Pascal? Looks a little harder, but it wasn't for the contestants. We'll see who chose what. 4 people chose Ada Lovelace, 1 chose Philomena Fortran, and it was Ada Lovelace. That's right, that's the name. What is the smallest positive integer n such that 60 times n is a perfect cube? Is it 450, 1800, 3600, or 216,000? We'll see how this one went. 4 people chose A, 1 chose C, and A is the correct answer. Very good. 4 people getting their rights. So we have another picture for this one. We have 2 75-inch pieces of wire, 1 red and 1 blue, are each bent to form an equilateral triangle. Then they're overlaid to form a 6-pointed star, as you see in the diagram there, and which happens to have a regular hexagon in the middle. And what we'd like to know is, what is the perimeter of the star? Is it 50 inches, 100 inches, 50 times the square root of 3 inches, or 100 square roots of 3 inches? Anybody? All right, so B was definitely the most popular one. We'll see what the contestants chose. Oh, they liked it too. 100 inches, and is that correct? Yes, it is. You all got it right. Nice score. A parabola of the form y equals, oh, it's 11. But anyway, it's a parabola of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. It passes through the points -1, -1, 0, 0, and 1, -2. What is A plus B plus C? And then the 4 choices are -2, -1, 0, and 1. And so we'll see how many people chose which ones. 4 people chose A, 1 chose B, and is A correct? It is correct. Good help. For 700 points. Which of the following numbers written in base 2, or binary, whichever you want to call it, so Julie's going to use her help. So which one of them is a perfect number? And so there you see, so the first one has 4 1s and then 3 zeros. The second one has 4 1s and then 4 zeros. The third one has 4 1s and then 5 zeros. And the last one has 5 1s and then 4 zeros. So 3 chose B and 2 chose D. And so we'll see what the correct answer is. It's D. Ooh. Okay, so we'll consider the grid below, or the one right in front of you for the contestants. It has 4 unit squares. Now we have to dilate it a little for the screen, but those are supposed to be squares. They're the ones that look like rectangles, and then with their diagonals. How many paths are there from A in the lower left up to B in the upper right, which contain only segments that move up to the right, or from lower left to upper right, on that diagonal? How many paths are there from A to B? Are there 10, 13, 15, or 16? Was chosen. 4 people chose 13. That's pretty good. If that's the right answer, 1 chose 16, which is a more natural answer. We'll see what the correct answer is. It was 13, 4 of you. Nice going. Very good. That's not easy to count like that. And so we'll see what that does to the score. Looks like both Annika and Eric got that right. 3600. Alex is going. He gets 3rd place with 2,900, Mary with 2,100, 4th place, and Julie with 60. You got that right too, Julie. That's good. Very good. And so we're going to keep Annika and Eric on stage to break the tie, and I'll come congratulate the other. How about a nice hand for all?